us because this video we're gonna show Kinetic stand, but we got some missing tools like this one, you can see it, and the crab one. So don't be angry to us, but still we're gonna review it for you. And I hope you love it. Hey guys, it's me. Now today I got a visitor, and it is my brother. Come on here. Now let's start this Kinetic stand. Now we're gonna start with this glue. So we set aside this Kinetic stand. Now let's try this first. Wait, the satisfying. I made a duck. Oh God, let us show them. Guys, I'm a little bit crazy, so don't laugh at me how crazy, but it's for you. And it's for my dog. The sand is not now. I really already want to move into the Kinetic stand. Can we? Wait. Oh wait. After I make this satisfying. Now guys, wait. Let me move this one. Look at guys. Now, hey, what are you doing? Don't end the video too fast. And guys, my name of my brother is Jed. We have some channel named Jed Roque. So better subscribe to my old channel. My classmates subscribe to me. Now for my favorite part, the Kinetic stand. Let's open it. Come on. We've got instructions then. Now let's read instructions slowly and employ. Now let's start. Come with the next one. Okay, let's play. OMG. Put all. No, put all. That's okay. I love satisfying. I really want to play, so I don't want to play. Look, my hands are so. I'm enjoying it now. It's just like in the game. We got only 2 tools, and this is all because we just review it for you guys. So please excuse me now. I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. And hey, look at the camera.